Lego.
Hey everyone, my name is Annelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be testing if purple shampoo is effective in toning your hair. So if you want to see how that goes, then just keep on watching.
Lego. It's the original.
So just a short story, around March 13 I think, I decided to get my hair colored just so, I wanted to look cute for the summer. So akala ko kasi I would be spending it at the beach. So I wanted my dark brown hair to be in this balayage color. Something lighter, something fun, ganon. But then, see, I'll show you pictures of that day. Ganda. Sayang, walang nakakita ko lang. Anyway, then a few days later, we're suddenly on lockdown. So, and fast forward to 2 months later, which is today, my hair is in this sort of, my roots started growing already. So I have my roots, and then my hair is in this brassy color. I mean, there's nothing wrong with brassy hair, but this color is just too brassy for my liking. I prefer my hair to be a bit more on the ashy side. And here, from afar, I think it looks okay. It looks okay lang. But then if you look closer, I mean, the streaks don't look. So here's a closer look at the color of my hair. There. So there, I wanna see if we can remove this yellowness over here and here. Let's go! For those of you who were wondering, yes, purple shampoo is purple. This is what it looks like. There. Gooey. So we're leaving this on for 20 minutes just to let the product sink in. And just a tip, do not ever get purple shampoo inside your eyes because masakit, guys, masakit. So I just finished rinsing out the purple shampoo and I also applied purple conditioner too. So yeah, I'll air dry my hair and let's see if the color changed, if it's less. Okay, before I show you the final results of the purple shampoo thing, I forgot to let you guys know what purple shampoo is. So, purple shampoo is purple colored shampoo that distributes purple pigment to neutralize brassy yellow tones. Purple is used because if you take a look at the color wheel, it is the direct opposite color of yellow. This means purple and yellow cancel out one another. So there. The shampoo that I used is this one. It's Daddy-O by Lush. It's 1,625 pesos for 500 grams. I used this Blonde Moment Purple Treatment Conditioner from Not Your Mother's. So here are the two products that I used. Yeah, so I left this on for 20 minutes, then rinsed it out, and then left this on for 5 minutes. So, I think I'm gonna go style my hair a bit just so you could see or appreciate what like my hair looks like when it's curled or styled. Because I think that's how balayage hair looks best. When it's curled, so that you see the changes in color, like the waves of color, ganyan. Pero kasi pag straight, para lang siyang chop of things, or parang wala lang, may color lang, it doesn't matter. So yeah, really have to work on doing this transition kind of thing because I always leave a white part out. Whoops. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. So I just finished semi-curling my hair because honestly the best time to like style your hair or curl it is around 2 hours after it's fully dry. Like when you think it's dry, add another hour or two, and then that's when you curl it, and then that's when you get nicer looking curls, and that's when it stays longer. Yun lang, tip ko lang. Still brassy, a bit brassy. I don't know. So hindi siya nag-work. It did not work. But it did not work on cam, but I can see a slight difference if I look at it in person. So, in conclusion, what I can say about leaving on purple shampoo for 20 minutes is that it will not give you drastic results into ash hair. It will just give a hint of fresh color or a hint of toning. I don't know, but it doesn't give you that wow, I have new hair kind of. Hindi eh. Sorry. I also thought I'd be giving you like a wow video with this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, then please give the like. And if you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel. I would also just like to say thank you so much for watching. This is just my second video and I'm really still learning to edit, to film, and to be more confident on cam. So thank you so much for your support and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!